Well, TGIF East Texas, we are waking up to mainly clear and chilly conditions out there. Upper 30s to lower 40s across the area, so you will need the long sleeve shirt or a light jacket as you head out the door. Mainly clear skies across the area, but notice in the past hour or so we're seeing a few patchy areas of clouds developing. We're going to see that on the increase as we progress throughout the day. Let's talk about this next doozy of a storm system headed our way. This big upper level low that's making its way across Mexico. You see the deep trough being carved out here in the southwest. And whenever you get the flow out of the southwest flow aloft, that means it pumps in Pacific moisture, and also eventually it'll tap into some Gulf of Mexico moisture, meaning a lot of rainfall making its way into East Texas. So I want to spell this all out for you hour by hour so you get a better idea of what you can expect for the weekend plans. Heading into your Friday, this morning, mainly clear skies, no problems, upper 30s to lower 40s. By this afternoon, notice clouds begin to increase. We'll go mostly cloudy to cloudy skies by late today, temperatures in the mid-60s. Now, we'll start to see our first few light scattered showers making their way in around 7 to 8 o'clock in the evening. The first batch of rainfall will be light and hit or miss across the area. Then, as we go towards midnight, notice the rainfall becomes more widespread across the region. And overnight into Saturday morning, the intensity of the rainfall picks up. We're talking widespread moderate to potentially heavy rainfall out there. Look at the temperatures in the 40s. Now, keep an eye on that as we go throughout the day. By midday, rain, light to moderate rainfall still in the area. Temperatures in the 40s still. By the time we get towards 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon on your Saturday, rain still in place across East Texas. Temperatures still in the 40s. You get the idea. A cold, wet, and raw Saturday. Saturday evening, rain, temperatures in the 40s. Heading into your Sunday morning, we may get a brief break before more rainfall moves in from the south and west. Temperatures in the 40s. Yeah, it's going to be a cold, raw, wet weekend. Rain on Sunday, even rain continuing on Monday. How much? Well, if you're along and north of I-20, we're talking the potential of 2 to 4 inches widespread across the area with isolated higher totals. South of there, 3 to 6 inches at least with some isolated higher totals. After we clear the rain out of here, finally by Tuesday, we get a brief break, but frigid air builds up in Canada and the northern plains. We're going to have to watch that because our first Arctic blast of the season heads our way. That'll be late Wednesday into Thursday, and behind that front, we get some real cold air, believe it or not. Colder than what we're going to see this weekend by the end of that 7-day forecast. Here it is for you. A few showers by late in the evening. Chilly, wet, and raw this weekend. And then as you see that Arctic front, I have 42 and 30 there by Thursday. It will likely trend colder than that.